Hello! Today we are going to make a slow cooked ribeye steak. Let's start cooking. We have a 1 kilo 35 ounces locally farmed ribeye steak. Let's cut it up. Okay, now let the steak sit for 1 to 2 hours to get room temperature. After the seasoning with salt and pepper, let's add some olive oil. And now, before the steak goes into the oven, we're gonna brown it. We have many hours before the steak is done. Let's spend it well. It looks really nice. Now, let's see how it tastes.